But what if I'm not ready?
Nobody is really ever ready. The only thing that matters is that you show up.
I don't know how we're gonna pull this off. I'm creating options for everybody. Jobs, connections.
Cute little setup.
Options and ideas. Like, come on, man, this stuff is not gonna pay the bills.
Reminds me of a middle school bake sale.
This is real.
So you want to take money from the people who need it most and build something that only a fraction of the community can use?
Still working on that marketplace, huh?
This is our one opportunity to prove them wrong. I'm in.
Woke up today, smile on my face, may not go my way, still got my faith, so I'll be okay. I'll be okay, I'll be okay. Running our race, just at our pace, made some mistakes, but learned a few things, so I'll be okay. I'll be okay, I'll be okay, yeah.
So y'all got a little clubhouse going on.
No, holding it down.
Eating the snacks, per usual. This ain't a restaurant, that's not what I said.